Hello aspirants, welcome to my channel at UPSC Hook. So from today we are going to start a series of Indian polity and I'm sure you will love this series. It will be very crisp and to the point. So let's start. So आज हम chapter 1 of Lakshmikant which is historical background पढ़ेंगे. ये चैप्टर दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हुआ है जहां पे इंडिया को ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने रूल किया फ्रॉम 1773 टू 1858. सेकेंड फेज में इंडिया को ब्रिटिश क्राउन ने रूल किया फ्रॉम 1858 टू 1947. सो हम फर्स्ट फेज से आज स्टार्ट करेंगे विच इज 1773 से. So first act we have Regulating Act of 1773. फर्स्ट फीचर इसका है गवर्नर ऑफ बंगाल को गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ बंगाल बना दिया गया एंड हियर वार्डन हेस्टिंग्स बिकेम द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ बंगाल. इसी के साथ एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल ऑफ 4 मेंबर्स वर क्रिएटेड who will assist गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ बंगाल. थर्ड, गवर्नर ऑफ बॉम्बे एंड मद्रास अब गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ बंगाल के अंडर काम करेंगे. Supreme Court was set up at Kolkata in 1774 with one Chief Justice and 3 other judges. Fifth, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी अब आंसरेबल थी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को थ्रू कोर्ट ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स इन मैटर ऑफ रेवेन्यू, सिविल, मिलिट्री अफेयर्स. This act also prohibited private trade, bribe, and presents to company servants. And the last, this act laid foundation of centralized administration in India. Centralized here means control of one government. Second act we have Pitt's India Act of 1784. In this act, dual control was established. The Board of Control was handling political and military administration. Court of Directors were handling commercial affairs. Board of Control was in hands of British government and Court of Directors were in hands of company only. So in this act, British possession word came, which means direct control over Indian administration by British government. So here we have 4 Charter Acts. And first is Charter Act of 1793. In this act, company charter was renewed for another 20 years. This confirmed the Governor-General control over Bombay and Madras. And also, home government's salaries were paid out of Indian revenue. Second Charter Act of 1813. In this act, company trade monopoly was finally ended, but except trade with China and tea, allowed Christian missionaries to work in India and recognized British Crown sovereignty over Indian territory. यानी सुप्रीम अथॉरिटी इंडियन टेरिटरीज पर ऑफिशियली एक्सेप्ट की गई. Third, we have Charter Act of 1833. In this act, Governor General of Bengal became Governor General of India. And here, William Bendix was the first Governor General of India. So this act also began the centralization of administration. And also in this act, Law Commission was set up under Lord Macaulay, which means Indian laws को लिखकर define किया गया. Slavery was abolished in this act. Companies' trade with China was closed now. Attempted to introduce open competition for civil servants. Fourth, Charter Act of 1853. This act separated legislative and executive function of Governor General Council. And also, open exam was implemented in this act for civil servants on the basis of merit system. Here, first time Indians got local representation in Indian Legislative Council from Madras, Bombay, Bengal, and Agra. And the last, East India Company got indefinite extension of charter.